Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to send the email in my new iPhone SE and it shows cannot send mail. The connection to the outgoing server smtp.gmail.com failed. So how to fix this issue? So first of all open your settings menu and then go to general settings. So here you can locate date and time settings and click to open it. So friends, always you can use your iPhone date and time format to automatic mode. So just click to enable this set automatically option and then go back to the settings main menu. So now this time you can locate the settings category name called mail and click to open it. So here you can go to accounts. And here I get this error message while I try to send the email via my Gmail. So I try to select Gmail. So just click to delete your account. But friends, don't worry about it. All your personal data are very safe. So just do it. So once you remove your account and then close all the windows and also restart your iPhone. So after the restarting is completed, just link your same Gmail account by simply open your settings menu. So here you can locate mail and click to open it. So here you can press add account option and then select Google. So you can click to continue. So I tried to log in my Gmail account. So here you can customize this option and then click to save these changes and just tap your account section. So finally my Gmail account is successfully linked with my iPhone. So after I link my Gmail account and once again I try to access my mail application because I check it if this method works or not. So now I try to send the one email. So I try to check the send items. So finally you can see now my mail is successfully delivered to my friend. So friends, if this trick maybe not works, just comment to me. I give some other ideas to fix this problem. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box and thanks for watching.